All right, let's talk about something really fun now, ISO. And ISO is not difficult. All it's doing is it's either adding light or lowering light to your exposure. Now, the thing to remember about ISO is that it affects both the ambient light and the light on the subject, unlike just your shutter speed or your f-stop. Now, when you're adjusting your ISO, every single adjustment is going to be a stop of light. So if I move that from 100 to 200, I'm doubling that. I'm just adding a stop of light. If I go from 200 to 400, I'm adding a stop of light. Super, super simple. Again, if your picture is coming out dark, simply raise that ISO by a stop or by an increment of 1. If you want to lower it and lower the amount of light, just lower it down. Super, super easy.
Now let me tell you, I have shot literally hundreds of concerts, and I have never shot a concert below 1600 ISO. In fact, a lot of times I'm going to 12,800 ISO, and I still can get a clean image. So don't be afraid to ever bump up your ISO.